another thing that the Sacrosanctum Concilium says is that, great pains are to be taken so that the people know how to sing or say together in Latin the parts of the Mass which pertain to them.
Which is echoed in Sing to the Lord, a 2007 document from the U.S. bishops.
Yes.
So it's not just like, oh, well, they were just thinking of that back then. Like, no, our own bishops in our own country not only like echoed that, but they even said, here's the exact Mass ordinary parts that you should know in Latin.
Yeah.
Every single, and it's quite specific.
And to that point too, Paul VI, right, in Jubilate Deo,
Right.
years after the council, promulgated Jubilate Deo, Sing to the Lord, this document which had the minimum repertoire of Gregorian chant that everyone should know, and he sent it to every diocese in the whole world. So if your parish never ever sings the Sanctus or the Agnus Dei or even the Creed, that's another one because that's part of the ordinary.
Yep.
It's in there. We are all supposed to know Credo in unum Deo. Thus spake Pope St. Paul VI.
Yep.